So this is a new wig by OUTRE. This is a quick weave half wig, and this wig is named Rosewell. So it has two small clips in the front and one medium size in the back. Doesn't have a drawstring, but those, I don't know what they're called. I like to call them the bra straps in the back here. I just want to show you and compare the penny that I usually always wear. It's kind of old. That's on the left, and then on the right is the new wig. So I wanted something longer. Here's my foundation, and then of course I like to use some root spray. This actually is my favorite spray because it smells good, it covers up the little grays I have, and it makes my hairline thicker. So here I am just putting the wig all on. Like I said, I wanted something not as curly as the penny. I feel like penny sometimes make me feel like a poodle. It's just a lot of hair. And so I wanted something a little straight, but a little curly. So that's where the wave came in. I'm just using some hair serum for my perimeter so I can take the braids down. This hair isn't like really yaki. So I'm hoping that this serum can give me a gloss that matches the actual wig here. And as usual, I'm using my Kiss edge control. I really love this. It gives me a nice firm hold, and something about having this brush, like the round brush, just trying to rotate it and slick it and make sure my hair is super smooth. I don't know, y'all. It just does something for me rather than just a regular edge control brush. So I'm gonna do this all around the perimeter of my hair, and then I'm going to add this band on it. This helps melt it. It's popular when you have like lace fronts. I don't wear lace fronts, but I found that this helps, you know, just lay the hair down. Like, you know, if you put a scarf on, but I don't want to put a scarf on. Well, I usually don't put a scarf on, but I'm going to show you that I did try to put a scarf on this wig. I was trying to like flatten it. It seemed like it was kind of high. So I put my hair in a ponytail, trying to give it some type of tension. I don't know if you can really tell, but I don't really think it even did anything. So just a FYI, I don't think this part is needed, but I just wanted to show you what I originally did. So this is just me taking off the scarf. I don't really see a difference. It still looks about the same, but this is it. The wig, I like it. I definitely am going to redo the braid and maybe use some mousse because I didn't leave the braid in long enough, and as you can see, it's not like crinkly as the rest of my hair, but it didn't matter. I still want to go out, look good, and I wanted to film this video for you to show you another wig that you can wear, another half wig. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Leave your comments below. She is actually probably gonna be my new go-to versus Penny, because like I said, Penny is curly, but she gets real poofy, and sometimes I feel like I'm just taking up a whole bunch of space with all this hair, and this one is more subtle, still sexy. So I'm probably gonna rock her a little bit more. And so far, as I'm recording this video, the voice recording for it, I've worn it about 2 or 3 times, and it doesn't get as matted or tangled as fast as Penny. So for now, Rosewell is going to be my girl, my go-to. This flower, I love it. I just feel like it gives me, you know, island vibes. So yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope to see you in my next video.